ChatGPT is not just another AI tool, it's a giant leap forward in AI technology. The possibilities are endless, from creating personalized content for businesses to revolutionizing the entertainment industry. However, with these advancements come questions about the future of work. Some worry that ChatGPT and other AI technologies will replace human workers, driving down wages and causing widespread unemployment. But others argue that AI will expand the offerings of businesses and improve the productivity of their workforce. As we move forward, it's important to consider both the benefits and the potential risks of AI in the workplace. One thing is for sure, ChatGPT is just the beginning of a new era in AI technology, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities it brings. So, let's stay curious and see how this technology will shape our future. The rise of AI-generated content has truly been a game-changer in the field of digital media. With the introduction of OpenAI's text-to-image model DALL-E, the possibilities for creating unique, imaginative content have become endless. It's incredible to think that by simply typing in a few keywords, a program can generate a visually stunning representation of the concept in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. DALL-E 2, released in April 2022, took things to a whole new level. This updated model can now create even more complex and intricate images with greater detail and realism. From fantastical creatures to everyday objects, DALL-E 2 is capable of producing a vast array of visual content. Google also jumped on the AI-generated image bandwagon with the launch of Imagen. This image-making AI uses a similar approach to DALL-E, but with a focus on creating more realistic images. With both DALL-E 2 and Imagen in the mix, the possibilities of creating visually stunning content are virtually endless. Stable Diffusion, a UK-based startup Stability AI, sends shockwaves through the world of text-to-image models. While DALL-E and Imagen were already pushing boundaries, Stable Diffusion was a game-changer. It not only produced some of the most stunning images yet, but it was designed to run on a good home computer, making text-to-image models accessible to everyone. As a result, millions of people have created tens of millions of images in just a few months, fueling a wave of creativity and innovation. However, this rapid growth is not without its challenges. The democratization of text-to-image models has left many artists caught in the middle of one of the biggest upheavals in a decade. Furthermore, just like language models, text-to-image generators can amplify the biased and toxic associations buried in training data scrapped from the internet. As commercial software like Photoshop begins to incorporate the technology, visual effect artists and video game studios are exploring how it can fast-track development pipelines. Moreover, text-to-image technology has already advanced to text-to-video. The AI-generated video clips demoed by Google, Meta, and others in the last few months are only seconds long, but that will change. One day, movie could be made by just feeding a script into a computer. As AI technology continues to advance and become more widely available, it's exciting to think about the future possibilities. Who knows what other mind-blowing AI models will be developed in the coming years? One thing's for sure, the world of content creation will never be the same again. While the possibilities are exciting, the impact of text-to-image technology on industries ranging from art to film and beyond remains to be seen. Nonetheless, with the rapid advancements being made, it's clear that AI-generated visuals will continue to push creative boundaries and transform the way we work and play. The rise of generative AI has been both exciting and concerning. On one hand, we have seen incredible advancements in the ability of AI to create art, music, and even entire stories. ChatGPT in particular has been a game-changer for the field, producing text that is almost indistinguishable from something written by a human. But with these advancements come concerns about the impact on the workforce. Will AI bots like ChatGPT simply replace human workers, driving down wages and exacerbating inequality? Some experts think so. They worry that as AI become more sophisticated, it will take over tasks traditionally done by humans, leaving many people without jobs. On the other hand, there are those who are more optimistic about the potential of generative AI. Stanford economist Eric Brynjolfsson believes that these technologies could add trillions of dollars in economic growth in the US. Within a decade, he argues that as AI takes over repetitive and mundane tasks, it will free up humans to focus on more creative and higher-level work. Ultimately, the impact of generative AI on the workforce is yet to be seen. But one thing is certain, we need to approach these technologies with caution and consider the potential implications for workers and society as a whole. As long as we can maintain a balance between automation and human involvement, the potential benefits of generative AI are enormous. The concern about who will control the future of AI is not new, and it's not limited to language models like ChatGPT. There are worries that the concentration of power in a few tech giants could lead to a monopoly on AI research and development, which could stifle innovation and harm society as a whole. Moreover, as AI technologies become more advanced, their impact on society becomes more significant, making the need for transparency, accountability, and responsible governance more pressing. To address these concerns, some experts are proposing a publicly funded international research organization for generative AI. Similar to CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, the proposed organization would bring together experts from various countries and disciplines to advance the state-of-the-art in generative AI while ensuring that the technology is developed in a transparent, accountable, and ethical manner. Such an organization could play a critical role in preventing a monopolistic stranglehold on AI research and development and ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably across society. However, creating such an organization will require significant resources and international cooperation, and it remains to be seen if the political will exist to make it a reality. In any case, it's clear that the future of AI is too important to be left solely in the hands of a few tech giants. The stakes are too high and the potential benefits too great for us to sit on the sidelines and hope for the best. It's up to all of us to engage in the debate, to ask tough questions, and to demand that AI be developed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. Generative AI is undoubtedly an exciting and transformative technology, but as with any powerful tool, it comes with great responsibility. It is up to us to ensure that the benefits of these innovations are shared by all, rather than just a select few. The potential of ChatGPT and other generative AI tools is vast, and their impact on society could be enormous. From creating art and entertainment to helping solve some of the world's most pressing problems, these tools have the potential to change the way we live and work. But we must ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically, with consideration for the impact on individuals and society as a whole. It is important that we prioritize the creation of a fair and just future for all, where the benefits of AI are shared equitably. The decisions we make today about how to develop and use generative AI will shape the world for decades to come. Let's seize this opportunity to create a world that works for everyone and use ChatGPT to its full potential in service of that goal. So, what does the breakthrough of AI mean for the future? Will it bring about a new age of prosperity and progress, or will it lead to further inequality and job loss? One thing is for sure, AI is here to stay, and it's up to us to decide how we want to use it. Will we let the same big companies that dominate the digital world control the future of AI, or will we take control and use it to create a world that works for everyone? The possibilities are endless, and it's up to all of us to shape the future of this incredible technology. So let's be mindful, let's be innovative, and let's use AI to its fullest potential. And while you are here, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.